مسافریم به سمت
Barbers in the city where the bikes never stop. Copenhagen streets, we rise to the top. Neon lights, bright nights, we own the scene. In this town, our dreams are evergreen. Our boys in Copenhagen feel the beat. Urban jungle where the cultures meet. Skies are gray, but our hearts are gold. Stories of the streets forever told. Our boys in Copenhagen feel the beat. Urban jungle where the cultures meet. Skies are gray, but our hearts are gold. Stories of the streets forever told. From Tivoli Gardens to the Nehaven docks, where the fire that the cold wind marks.
خیابونه برای ماشین و خیابونه برای دوچرخه. ارزشون یک.
Whispering tales of the past pizzazz. In this place where the new and old clash. Albers brings the rhyme when the lightning flash. Our boys in Copenhagen feel the beat. Urban jungle where the cultures meet. Skies are gray, but our hearts are gold. Stories of the streets forever told. Boys in Copenhagen. Urban jungle where the cultures meet. Skies are gray, but our hearts are gold. Stories of the streets forever told. From the Royal Palace to the Green Light District. Every corner got its own unique twist. Denmark's capital with a touch of class. Albers is the name that's built to last.
خیابون دوچرخه رو فقط داشته باشین که چقدر صحنه. این تیکه مسیر خیلی پل خوشگلیه. نمیشه متاسفانه پیاده رفتش.